Hi friends, this is Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write a factorial program using Python. Before we continue, thank you so much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. I'm using pycharm community edition in writing this program. As you can see, we have only 8 lines of codes. So here I declare a variable num equals int for integer, so we'll be accepting whole number. And then I have here a variable I which has an initial value of 1, some variable which has a value of 1 also, while num greater than or equal to I, that is 1, colon, sum, summation, multiply by I equals I plus 1 incremental, and then print f factorial is $sum. So that's it. Let us run the code. Let's say we have 7, so enter a number, enter an integer 7. The factorial is 5040. Another example, let's say 4, enter an integer 4, factorial is 24. We have 5, factorial is 120. So we can also make here, if we want to display the factorial value of, let's say, curly num is, we can do that, and then we can rerun. Let's say 6, the factorial value of 6 is 720. So this is the most simplest way guys on how to create a factorial number using while loop statement in Python programming language. If you have some question, leave a comment. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is your friend Jake saying before we end, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and if you are new with my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.